So I'm here in Arroya Seco, New Mexico, which is right between Taos and Taos Valley. This little town's got this cool restaurant. It's been here for about 10 years, and it's had 3 owners. The most recent owner actually started in the restaurant as a line cook. Oh, he's got a big imagination, a great palate, and an exciting menu, and I hear he's a member of Flavortown. This is ACEQ.
Lamb lollies, bison gumbo.
This is a local gem.
Firing chicken.
You can have a comfort food, but with an adventurous flair.
And the amount of specials that they rotate in, the sky's the limit.
And it's Chef Elijah Safford,
Bison bone marrow sold.
knocking out the menu. Love the boxing bell. What does the name mean?
So ACEQ is short for ACEQ. That's the local term for waterways used to irrigate fields. I'm the 3rd owner of ACEQ.
Which he took over when he was just 21. How old are you now, 22?
23.
Well done, my friend. Walk me through what we're making today.
Bison red chili fries, kind of poutine-esque.
The bison red chili fry is super, super good. The bison is really tender.
They're gooey in a good way.
First, I like to grill the fat of the bison short ribs before we braise it. It's a little salt and pepper mix.
Grill both sides, pull them off. We're making the braising liquid now, or what's the story?
Taking my onions, I do a little saute on them, letting these sweet onions express themselves.
How do you feel about yourself in that swimsuit? The onions I was talking about.
Calabrian peppers, vinegar, a little bit of sugar here. Chimayo red chili, chipotle in adobo sauce.
Right.
Dried ancho.
Beef base?
Blend this down, crank it. Then we just pour this over our bison.
Gorgeous.
We do our little garnish. It really just adds some good acidity and
Same thing with the white onion?
Yep. Do a little bay leaf.
Parsley. Cover this. All right, let's get that in the oven. How long?
4 hours at 300.
Great.
There we have our braised short ribs. Pop that little bone out. Make sure that this little fat cap doesn't make it in there.
Does this get used for anything else?
Yeah, all the employees eat it.
Ah, that's what I love to hear.
Break that down.
Love that chile. A little smokiness to it, tender. It's cooking it with the bone and the fat.
I want them to be the best fries ever.
Short ribs are done. Let's get into this.
Red chili gravy.
Red chili gravy.
Yes, sir.
I like it.
I'm gonna start off with the roux, oil, gluten-free flour. We get it pretty nice and dark. White onion, dried chimayo, dried ancho chilies, chipotle and adobo.
Apple cider vinegar?
Yeah. And sugar, Maldon salt, Calabrian peppers, local red chilies, bay leaves.
Beef stock and water?
Beef stock, yes, sir. This simmers for a good 20 minutes, and then we hit it with the immersion blender.
So what's the next step after this?
It just comes down to fries. We have our shoestrings here.
I'll get that one.
Salt, of course. Put it right here in my pan. So I have my cheese curds here. Then this goes in the oven.
Gotcha.
Now that our cheese curds are nice and cheesy, red chili gravy that we just made, local bison, all grass-fed parsley, and let that hit the table.
That's dangerous. I'm a big shoestring guy. I want the crunch. The braise on the short rib is delicious, and the shred's great. The cheese curd is stretchy and squeaky. Rich, roasted, smoky.
So you like it?
Oh, no, I love it.
Cheese curding on bison chili fry.
The cheese curds are great. The red chili's spot on. The bison was very moist, was shredding.
I've eaten a lot of fries in my life, and these are the absolute best fries I've ever had.